Welcome to our tutorial on how to add an opening balance in Zoho Books. Before we dive into the entering balance, there are a few key points to note. First, make sure you add all your bank accounts and credit card to Zoho Books. This will help you list your accounts and enter their respective balance later. Next, add all your items and their stock details. Zoho Books let you easily import your items so you can track them seamlessly. Lastly, generate a trial balance on the date of migration to ensure no transaction or data are missed later on. Now, let's look at how to actually enter your opening balance. Zoho Books comes with a default list of accounts that are common across business. These accounts are grouped into categories like accounts payable, receivable, assets, expenses, liabilities, bank accounts, equity, and income. Each of these categories has multiple accounts under them. So, enter your opening balance. Simply go to the top right corner of the page and click on Settings, and then select Opening Balance under the Organization section. Next, enter the opening balance date. This is typically the date you started using Zoho Books, whether you are setting up a new business or an existing one. Finally, enter the balance for all your receivables, payables, and other accounts. You are all set to continue with Zoho Books. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.